Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my auto repair business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, we'll then dive into the updates that I made to the auto repair business plan template for 2023. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the auto repair business plan template, the updates that I've made to it for 2023. So the first thing that I did is I updated the industry research. I do have a subscription to IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research. So what I did is I used my subscription, pulled a report on the auto repair shop industry, and I summarized some of the information, and I put the updated information into my auto repair business plan template. So now it is reflecting the most up-to-date information that I have available. And some of the information that I updated was the revenues, the profits, profit margins, number of businesses, number of employees, and also the wages. So this industry research is up to date for 2023. The second piece of information that I updated, actually expanded upon, was the industry research. So what I've done is I've added a section to the industry research, which is the products and services segmentation, and this just shows how these services in the industry are broken up. They're broken up into scheduled maintenances, powertrain repairs, brake repairs, and other. So what I've done now is I've added a little bit more meat to the bone, a little bit more information to just add some more depth to the industry research. The third change, or the third update that I've done, is I've made the 12-month profit and loss statement more flexible or more customizable. So now what you can do is, once you enter your estimated profit, your estimated growth rate for the profit and loss for the first year, you can now adjust that growth rate on a monthly basis. So normally all your information that you're going to change is going to be on your information page. Now what you can do is you can go to the profit and loss tab, and you can change the revenue growth on a monthly basis to better reflect what your estimates are going to be for that specific month. So hopefully these updates are going to be helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.